For Dummies Guide to Medical Physical Therapy Equipment PCB PCBA Sample Service. Winow Dip Medical Physical Therapy Equipment's PCB PCBA Sample Service. As a professional PCB assembly manufacturer, our main products are PCB boards, PCB assembly products, printed circuit board assemblies, etc. We have many types of products for different markets, such as medical instruments, industrial instruments, communication systems, and so on. Getting started in medical physical therapy equipment's PCB PCBA sample service. A medical physical therapy equipment PCB PCBA sample service provider for the PCB and PCBA material, the medical physical therapy equipment PCB, the PCB material suppliers, the medical physical therapy hardware PCB, the medical electrical equipment PCB, the medical electrical hardware PCB, the medical electrical PCB board supplier. The PCB material is a very important part of today's modern life. The PCB board is used in various industries such as telecommunications, aerospace, and defense. But the price of these boards has increased sharply over the past few years due to their popularity and the need for high-quality products. In order to meet this demand and reduce costs, many manufacturers have begun to produce their own versions of these boards. PCBA sample service you can take with you on the go. When we talk about PCB assembly, the first thing that comes to mind is probably the production process and the quality of the final product. However, there is another aspect you need to consider: assembly management. The two elements are closely related and are often thought of as one entity. If you're planning on manufacturing your own circuit boards or even building a small kit that allows you to create your own product, then having a good understanding of how each part fits together will be essential for creating a successful product. This video will give you an overview of some of the most common PCBA, printed circuit board assembly, processes that you could use when designing your own products. Winow PCB PCBA Sample Full Service Medical Physical Therapy Equipment. Winow PCB PCBA is a full-service medical physical therapy equipment manufacturer and distributor. We provide service, parts, and support for all major brands of medical equipment in the industry. We have the ability to manufacture custom designs based on your specifications. Our manufacturing capabilities include steel fabrication, finishing, and assembly, as well as motors, controls, and other electrical components necessary to produce your product. PCB PCBA also offers complete turnkey services including purchasing raw materials, assembly, testing, and packaging. About Men's Health Medical Physical Therapy Personal Computer Board Equipment PCB. The Men's Health Medical Physical Therapy Personal Computer Board Equipment PCB is a tool used to treat patients of all ages, from infants to adults. It helps in the treatment of various medical conditions by providing information on diseases, symptoms, and treatments. The Men's Health Medical Physical Therapy Personal Computer Board Equipment PCB is a tool that provides information about various medical conditions and treatments in an easy-to-read format. Best Medical Physical Therapy Equipment and PCBA Sample Service Provider. PCBA is a PCB, printed circuit board, that is used in various areas of electronics and electrical devices. These boards are manufactured using the best quality materials and advanced techniques. They are very useful in the field of electronics, telecommunication, defense, and medical equipment. These PCBs are manufactured using different materials like FR4, FR5, FR6, etc. Concluding remarks. Direct from the factory, Winow Dip is a leading manufacturer of medical equipment in China. Winow Dip is a professional manufacturer of many medical equipment and medical products. Starting in 2018, Winow Dip has been actively providing service for PCB boards and PCBA board sample parts for customers from all. Visit our website, Winow PCBA. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel.